Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, Grime and Punishment. Written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 11. Love vs. Hate. Who will win?
Okay, I know what we're supposed to do, but how do we do it? That's a good question. Well, what do we love? I love to draw! Hey, me too! We all love to draw! I love to draw squids! I'll teach you how! First, you draw a triangle, then you draw a face and the pointy legs! Wow! You're really good at drawing squids, Molly! Thanks! I practice all the time! ADHD loves to draw hearts, and I love my papa, so I'm gonna draw him.
Hey! Don't draw my face on his butt!
Too late!
And so...
Hey, mister! I like your new tattoos!
Huh?
You're so cute and darling and sweet! They make you look adorable!
Munchy was so embarrassed, he let go of Flippy and covered his shame.
Are you okay, Flippy?
I'm fine. Hey kids, you can stop hiding now.
Yeah! Everybody grab a crayon and let's try to do some love!
Hooray!
I love ice cream.
I love puppies. I love tic-tac-toe.
Me too.
I love cars. I love music.
I love bats.
I love pizza. I love daddy. I love spiders.
I love skeletons.
I love dinosaurs.
Gee, mister!
I love mustaches.
You're looking lovely! You're the most precious pet guy I've ever met!
I love ponies.
Hey! Do you want to join our cars club? We can all draw together every day!
Yeah! Bye-bye, Mr. Munchy.
We love you.
Come back soon.
Hey, Papa! It looks like love won!
Love got lucky.
Well, you know what they say about luck? It always runs out.
Whoa! What are you guys gonna do now?
Papa, I think this is your battle.
Chapter 12. The Ultimate Showdown. I don't know if I can do this, kid.
Of course you can. It's your story, Papa. You can color it any way you want.
Me got your friends, Petey.
Technically, they're not really my friends.
Oh, so you won't mind if me does this?
Oh no!
What's wrong, Flippy?
Grandpa!
Oh,
I can't do it, kid. I can't love the way you love.
Papa, you don't have to. Just let go of your hate.
Yay! Petey back for more punishment.
Dad,
What?
I'm done.
Done what?
I'm done hating you.
Oh, ain't you sweet? So what you gonna do now? Love me?
No, I'm gonna forgive you.
Huh? Forgive me? Forgive me for what? I never did anything to you. I wasn't even there. You don't get to forgive me. Where do you think you're going?
I've got to get this kid into bed.
We're not done here.
Actually, I think we are.
Hey, get back here.
Good night, Grandpa. Good night, everybody. Let's all play again tomorrow.
Bye! Chapter 13. 3 Endings. The first ending, Grandpa's story.
Hey, come back here and fight. Thanks a lot, Motor Brain. You didn't help me at all.
Hey, my hat! You're back! And so... Kitty!
Huh?
Oh, Kitty!
Whoa!
Snug love, Kitty!
Ah!
The second ending, Dogman's story. Yay!
We're free!
Not quite! You still have to deal with me! Dogman! When I get through with you! Hey there! Your house is burning down. Huh? Mrs. Snookums! I'll save you, Mrs. Snookums! Mayor! Don't go in there! Mayor! No!
What can we do? The flames are too hot.
But then... Dogman! No!
Chief! No! Gee, we're sorry about your house, man.
I don't care about my house! Mr. Snookums was in there! And now And it's all your fault! What do you have to say for yourself? Well... Mrs. Snookums! You're safe! Thank you, Dogman! You're the best duck-headed cop in town! Isn't he the only? Shh! The third ending, Little Petey's story.
Boy, Grandpa sure got mad when you forgave him.
Yeah, if I had known it would bother him so much, I would have forgiven him years ago.
Well, we're home, Papa.
Yeah. Wait here, kid. I'll be right back. Okay, let's go.
Where are we going, Papa?
You'll see. I haven't been here since I was a kid. It's pretty, right?
Yeah. Is Grandma in there, Papa?
No. She's here now. And she's here.
Is she here too, Papa?
Well, it's your story, kid. You can color it any way you want. The end.